Hello, Education 570. Welcome to what will be Module 6, which is focused on assistive and adaptive technology. We are heading into that hard time of the school year. This February can be kind of a dull time. Maybe you're kind of getting into some doldrums, so hopefully this module picks it up a little bit for you, and I hope that you are doing well as well. So let's check out Module 6. Through participation, you're going to be able to develop a process to technology tools based on student needs, how assistive and adaptive technology tools meet a student's need, and then into a lesson that meets a specific student need. The introduction is here for you to check out. Make sure you check out the file for the introduction. And the required reading is a case study, a video, another video, several websites to check out, and some library articles. Reminder that I have made these a PDF link instead of having to go through EBSCOhost, so those should be easy for you to grab. So the first discussion, Part 1, meeting all student needs. Please share your own experience with the meeting of needs of your students and how your faith sustains, strengthens, and encourages you. Okay. Part 2 is a video transcript. Find and share a video link related to assistive or adaptive technology. Create and attach a complete transcript for the video. Now, this is an optional assignment. So, Part 1, you may choose to do either Part 1 or Part 2. So, Part 1 or Part 2. Make sure that your post is due by Wednesday at midnight and responses by Sunday at midnight. 6.2. Submit a draft of one technology integration action plan. Your draft should contain all the elements from the final project. So the draft action plan is graded with the final project rubric. Make sure that you are checking out what that rubric is, which is in the assigned guidelines and rubrics section. The final project rubric right here and the description. So getting started with your final project officially, and also a discussion for this week. Please make sure that you ask any questions that you may have. Always happy to help. Please keep working on that final project as well. You've got an assignment due related to it this week. Keep working on it for the last module as well. Have a great week, everybody.